Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our poem A Thing of Beauty. What is the name of the poem? A Thing of Beauty, composed by John Keats. What is the name of the author? John Keats. This extract is from John Keats, a poetic romance. The poet is based on a Greek legend. Legend foretell. It is based on Greek legend, wherein a young shepherd and poet, Endymion, who lived in Mount Latmos, had a vision of the moon goddess Cynthia. He fell in love with her. And was so determined to find her that he journeyed through the forest and down under the sea. As means he was crossed in love with her and he roamed in the forest and down under the sea also. In the poem, the poet says that an object of beauty is a source of perennial joy, unlimited joy. It means beauty gives us unlimited joy and pleasure as it grows lovelier every day. Day by day it grows lovelier. Since beauty is eternal, continuously, it will never fade away, but it becomes more enchanting with the passage of time. According to the time, it becomes more enchanting. Beauty gives us everlasting happiness, means the happiness which will not be finished for always. Beauty gives us everlasting happiness and dispels the sadness and grief from our lives. It removes out griefs from our life, thereby enabling us to live comfortably and blissfully. It is as pleasant as a cool, quiet bower. How it is pleasant as a cool, quiet bower, or sound sleep with sweet dreams. How does this like? Sound sleep with sweet dreams, good health, and mental peace. The poet further says that it is because of man's connection. Why it is? Because it is because of man's connection to the earth that he experiences the happiness of an object of beauty. These memories can help him sustain a contented life, satisfied life. In these lines, the poet tells the importance of beauty. After it, most important thing about the beauty is that man feels distressed because of the scarcity of good men in the world. Why is the man in distress? When he does not find any kind of person, good person in his life, then man is sad, and several experiences and situations which leave him feeling pain. And there are so many kinds of problems in a man's life. So a man is sad. What is the main reason for this? Because he is alone. He does not find any kind of good person in his life. And there are so many kinds of situations which leave him feeling pain. It is the main reason. But then when he sees something beautiful, This sadness is dispelled and replaced with immense joy and pleasure. Some things of beauty are the sun. What are the things of beauty? So some things of beauty are the sun, the moon, the old and young trees which provide shade. These are the things of beauty. The daffodils in the green fields, daffodils flower, the streams which cool the earth during the hot summer, and the ferns and musk roses. He tells his readers, the poet tells his readers, that beauty can be found everywhere, even in the stories that we may have heard or read. Most important thing of this poem that we can find beauty everywhere, in the stories also, which we have heard or read, in which we can find beauty. It is the half part of this poem, and remaining part of this poem you will read in the next time. Okay, bye.